Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey people, today we are going to do these beautiful designer looking hoop earrings. So let's get started. Stone balls, hoops, pins. These are the things we need. First, take a hoop and bend the end of it straight using the plier. This way you can insert the stone balls. After you're done, start inserting stone balls into it. Stop around after 4 balls. Now take a stone ball and a pin. Insert it into it and cut the end. Now bend the end with a plier. Now insert this into the hoop and start inserting 4 more stone balls. Lastly, bend the end of the hoop using the plier to its original position. And that's it, you're done. They look so pretty. I totally love them and I bet you should also try it. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and do subscribe. And thank you guys. Meet you in my next video. Happy crafting and bye bye.